Welcome everybody to part 2. In this demo, we gotta show you how you can upload your database into Orchestra. So the first thing you need to do is log in and create an account in xeround. So we have a database on the cloud called xeround. You need to register for that database in order to have a free access to your MySQL database. So I already created one here and I created a database. It's easy process. And after that I just created a database. I can go to phpMyAdmin online and that will let me to access the database. So you just log in into phpMyAdmin and you can import your database, MySQL database, into the cloud. So basically what I have did here, I have a MySQL database here. Just drag it and drop it into phpMyAdmin, import it, and after that I have access to my database. So I can see picnics, I can delete, add rows, columns, add new tables. It's awesome tool. In addition for that, I created a connection using Navicat to the database, so I can easily connect to the databases, and the same thing. I can add new table. Okay, so the basic thing you need to know here is the connection to the database. Uh, so first thing, if you go to database properties or go to the connection properties, you can see here I got this host name and this port and this username and this password. So these information are retrieved from the xeround database. You just copy the DNS host name and you just need to provide with your email, your username and password. So back to the application, as you can see here, we got this app, and this app is running on the local host. We need to move this app and the MySQL database into the cloud. So first thing, you just import this database into xeround instance, and after that you're ready to do the next step. So the next step is uploading this application into the cloud. Okay, so first thing, you need two tools. First one is git bash, or the cmd command line for git, and also you need the git GUI tool. So first thing, you just go to the git bash and you just go to the path of your folder. We need to initialize a git repository. So in order to do that, you just put git init. So you can see here we initialize an you can see we created a master git repository. We can upload it to the cloud. So basically you just go to the folder, drag it and drop it into the git GUI. So just drag it here and you can see here we created a repository. We need to upload it. So in order to make the deployment process, you just open this repo and we need to commit message. So let me say first deployment and commit. Okay, we just committed the changes, and after this, after we loading all the files, we can push to GitHub. So this is a basic operation. Just type push. If you need a private account, or keep your code private, you need to register for a paid account. So I just want to use the free account here. So just click push, and after that it's gonna upload it to the GitHub repository. This requires some time. You need to be more patient, but just click push and you can see here we are publishing the code into GitHub. So this requires from 1 minute to 5 minutes according to your repository size. I got about, let me just make, I got about, I think 7 megabytes, so we need about 3 minutes. So until it's finished, gotta be back. Okay guys, after we finished the downloading process, the uploading process, we're ready to see the file on GitHub. So we just logged in and we can see here Picnic Orchestra Cloud. So here we can see the code. So you can make changes into the code in GitHub. So for example, I need to change the connection string. So I just come here and say edit and need to change the connection string to the xeround database. We just copy this, paste, and I need to specify the port number 15588, and also in addition for that you need to put the username and the password. So you just put the username and the database name and the password, and after that you can save the file. Okay, so you just commit changes. So you can see here update is done. Okay, so after we uploaded all the application and make some changes on the connection, we can now start building our app. So first thing, you need to get read-only copy from your Git. So you just copy this and go to your orchestra, say deploy a free app. So we need to create a free app here. Let's say Picnic or us Cloud. Here just type the repo name that we have copied and just paste it here, and here just type the index page. Okay, after this you launch the app. So we initializing the app and we deploying, and this requires some time, 2 minutes, but maximum according to the size of your file. You know, sometime it requires a minute from me, but anyway, you can see here we are saying that deploying app. Okay, configure your application. Okay, so after that all the deployment process has been done. You can go to apps. Okay, here we got our app. You can just double click on the div here. You can go and access your app from here. Okay, we are connecting to our app. We got the welcome page. You can enter the main page, and here you got the main page. You can, for example, contact us. You can send me a message. You can go about us, who we are, and also in addition for that you can book a picnic. So you just type picnic here, you go view, and you can pick the picnic or book the picnic that you want. So you can first view you can view that picnic. You can see the pictures for that picnic, so as you can see here, and also you can see the description. In addition for that, you can book that picnic. So for example, if I want to book this picnic, I can just type here username, for example, and try to log in. I am logged in now and I have access to this website. So I can view images, and also I can read summary, description, and some information about prices, transportation about that picnic. And also I can add to cart some values. For example, if I want to add, I want a car rent, I want a birthday cake, I can add that, and I can just click add. So I can add all the information here, and after that I can submit after I specify the number of people. So submit, you just go to the summary, you can see all the summary about that trip, you just put the payment information and agree to the terms and register for that picnic. So now you're ready to go, you are registered. In addition for that, you can go membership, you can go to log in as a manager. For example, if you want to add a new picnics or something like that, you can come up here and for picnic add picnics. So you just can add a new picnic, and you know you can the customers can come and book that picnic. And also you can for example, you can view picnics, you can view the number of people that are already registered in the picnics. So if you go to statistics, click here, you gotta see we have 30 people registered. For example, this one, okay, total number, there's no people there. Here, for example, you can see how many people are registered in each picnic. And also you can add contracts, so you can view contracts. And also, what is going on here, let me just make sure. Okay, you can view contracts, and also you can delete contract. For example, you can assign a new contract by typing the ID and submit it. And also here you can add some items to that contract and type a contract name and save it and back. So as you can see here, we just you know can view contracts. Okay, so you can back to the main page here, so you can log out from the system. And this is basically the demonstration that we have did to demonstrate to you how you could use the Orchestra and GitHub and xeround together in order to develop a PHP cloud application using this great feature of Orchestra PHP Cloud. So notice here all the process that we have did are free. You don't have to pay anything, but if you need more speed, more scalability, if you need more power, more computing power, you need to pay. So this is pretty much cool because you just use the app, test it, and after that, for the real world, when you want to functionate or make some real app, okay, you can pay for that app, and you can scale up and down your application with this great feature from Orchestra and Engine Yard. So I hope you like it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to put likes, comments, and see you in the next video. Ahmed Nasser, wish the good luck for you. Thank you.